Your body does something incredible every night while you sleep, but most people never activate it. There is a simple bedtime trick that can turn your resting hours into fat-burning, repair-boosting, anti-aging time. And once you understand how it works, you'll never look at your nighttime routine the same way again. Your metabolism does not shut down when you lie down. In fact, this is the moment your body becomes more strategic, more efficient, and more focused on deep internal repair. And when you trigger the right biological switches before bed, your body can burn fat more effectively and slow aging at the exact same time, all while you sleep. The first key is understanding that nighttime is the body's preferred window for cellular cleanup. This process, often described as your internal repair mode, clears out damaged cells that would otherwise accelerate aging. When this system is activated properly, your body becomes better at regulating hunger, balancing hormones, and breaking down stored fat. A simple way to support this is to avoid heavy, late-night meals and give your body at least 2 to 3 hours of digestive rest before bed. Your sleep hormone is not just for sleep, it's also deeply involved in fat loss. Many people don't realize that your natural nighttime hormone acts as a metabolic signal, telling your body when it's time to switch from storing energy to burning it. Research shows that this hormone rises when the environment is dark and calm, and even a small amount of artificial light can weaken the signal. A practical tip: dim the lights, turn off bright screens, and let your room get as dark as possible during the last hour before bed. Another powerful nighttime trigger for fat burning is your temperature rhythm. Your core temperature naturally lowers as bedtime approaches, and this drop helps initiate deep sleep, the very stage where your body burns the highest percentage of fat. Supporting this temperature drop is simple. Keep your room slightly cool, or take a warm shower an hour before bed to help your body cool more efficiently afterward. There's also a gut-related mechanism that becomes extremely active at night. Your gut lining repairs itself while you sleep, and this repair is strongly influenced by what you ate during the final hours of the day. When your gut is inflamed or stressed, it interrupts your ability to burn fat and accelerates aging. But when nighttime repair is smooth, everything improves: digestion, metabolism, and hormone balance. One easy trick is to include something soothing and gut-friendly in your evening routine, like chamomile tea or a small portion of fermented food earlier in the evening. One of the most surprising nighttime factors is blood sugar stability. Even mild spikes before bed can interfere with fat burning while you sleep. Balanced blood sugar allows your body to tap into stored fat instead of keeping energy trapped. A simple way to do this is to choose a dinner that's high in fiber and moderate in protein, instead of sugary or ultra-processed foods that cause late-night spikes. A rarely discussed but powerful process occurs in your deep sleep cycles. Your mitochondria, the energy factories inside your cells, become more efficient. When they function well, you burn fat faster and age slower. When they are stressed, your metabolism slows down. To support mitochondrial health at night, add magnesium-rich foods or calming nutrients like herbal teas to help your body relax into deep, restorative sleep. Another important trigger is nighttime hydration, but not the kind that wakes you up repeatedly. Proper hydration earlier in the evening helps your body regulate temperature, detoxify efficiently, and maintain healthy metabolism during the night. Simply drink most of your water before dinner and take small sips afterward if needed. Your stress hormone rhythm is also critical. When this hormone is too high at night, your body stays in alert mode instead of fat-burning mode. High nighttime stress can block your ability to fall into deep sleep, which is where the real fat-burning and anti-aging benefits happen. A powerful yet simple trick is to slow your breathing for 2 minutes before bed. Long, steady exhales tell your nervous system that it's safe to enter deeper rest. Another overlooked factor is your last source of movement before bedtime. Light movement in the evening, such as stretching or a slow walk, helps move glucose out of your bloodstream and prepares your body to burn fat through the night. It doesn't have to be a workout. Even gentle movement is enough to support overnight metabolic balance. Your internal clock, the one that regulates everything from hormones to fat burning, becomes extremely sensitive at night. When your sleep schedule is consistent, this clock supports healthy metabolism. But when your schedule changes frequently, your body becomes confused about when to release certain hormones, which can slow fat burning. One practical tip: set a consistent bedtime window and stick to it most days of the week. There is also a powerful connection between nighttime digestion and morning hunger. When your digestion rests at night, your body wakes up more balanced, with reduced cravings and better appetite control. But when digestion is busy or bloated at night, you wake up with imbalanced hunger signals. A simple tip: avoid heavy, greasy foods late at night to support smoother overnight digestion. Your muscles also play a surprising role while you sleep. During deep sleep, your body repairs microtears in your muscle fibers, improving overall metabolic activity. The more efficiently your muscles repair, the better they can store and burn glucose. Supporting this process is easy. Get enough protein throughout the day so your body has the raw materials it needs at night. The last piece of the puzzle is one of the most important: your mind. The quality of your thoughts, tension, and emotional state before bed affects your heart rate, your breathing, and your ability to enter restorative sleep. A calm mind helps trigger the biological cascade that leads to fat burning and anti-aging repair during the night. A good trick is to unplug for 20 minutes before bed and give your mind a moment of quiet, even if it's just sitting still or reading something light. So the bedtime trick that burns fat and slows aging isn't one single action. It's a small collection of simple signals that tell your body it's time to repair. It's time to reset. It's time to burn fat. And when you combine even a few of these habits, your nighttime hours become one of the most powerful tools you have for better health. If you found these science-based insights helpful, consider subscribing for more simple research-backed tips to support your metabolism, energy, and longevity. Your healthiest years can still be ahead, even while you sleep.